Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Angela Braniff. Welcome to another video in our Sell This House series, Flying the Nest. We are in the process of doing a bunch of projects and things to get our house on the market. We want to move our big family from the suburbs out into the country onto like a little mini farm, like a hobby farm type thing. We're not going like full homesteader here just yet. Like I said, I have not even yet successfully grown a carrot, but we would like to begin gardening and things, and the goal is eventually to do sort of like a family compound. So that's what's happening. If you're interested in that kind of stuff, subscribe. But this is video number 3 in this series, I believe. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys all the outdoor projects that we have done already to get the house ready to sell, and we also have another video coming up where we're going to share all the indoor projects as we do those. And then finally, when we're done with everything, I'm going to do a final like staged home tour, share with you guys what the final staging looks like, any tips that I have. There's already a couple of little things I've learned along the way, even just like something that I got at Lowe's that I was like, this might be the greatest thing that I've purchased. It's like $7, and this might be the thing that I would tell everyone who's trying to get their house on the market that you should probably buy this thing. So we'll talk about that in the final video, those recommendations and everything. But today we're just gonna talk about the outdoor projects. I'm gonna show you guys, let's get into it. I'll do a voiceover to talk about what we're doing. But yeah, let's get into all the outdoor projects that we've been working on. All right, today's project, first project anyways, this terrible, terrible gazebo. My children have just destroyed with bird seed. It's bad, y'all. So I'm gonna start by cleaning this out, taking everything out. I'm gonna clean the furniture. I'm gonna clean the floor. I'm gonna sweep. We've got our string lights, which still work and everything, but I'm just gonna get the cobwebs and stuff out of here. Whoops. But otherwise, that's pretty much just gonna clean everything, put back what can be put back. You can see that's broken, so that won't be going back in here. But I did clean these, but it appears they have gotten dirty again. So I will try to clean those, get the chairs cleaned, and then do some cobweb maintenance up here. Get all this stuff cleaned up, and maybe I can salvage this rug. I like it, so I'm hoping I can salvage it. And this is just a little area that we're gonna stage. So yeah, let's see what I can do here. I don't know everything CR showed while I was gone, but he did finish the path all the way up to my office over there. So this project is done. He did finish mulching around the trees and the yard as well. So that is pretty much done as well, all the mulch around the trees. So I still need to take up the rest of the square foot garden over there, finish this project here. It looks like Christopher is working on mulching the front. Yep. So he's working on doing all the mulch around the front here. Get all this stuff. And we got to start weeding out here as well, but we'll see what we get to today. And I also have the rest of my porch projects. So we're trying to get all the outdoor projects done while we have his mother here helping, because it's easier for us to do outdoor stuff when someone can be inside with the kids. Yeah?
I'll wait to see your golden smile, feel of 1,000 kisses. Oh, please stay a while. I'll reach up to hold your sunlit face. Feels like a handful of silk now. I'm in your warm embrace. Oh, I hope this feeling lasts till the oceans turn to glass and the world around us turns and fades to black. Together we'll hold back the sun in this moment forever young. Against the stream of time we'll run, babe. 'cause all is well. Oh, I hope this feeling lasts till the oceans turn to glass and the world around us turns and fades to black. Together we'll hold back the sun in this moment, forever young. Against the stream of time we'll run, baby. We'll hold back the sun. When the sun goes down and the world spins round, when I lay right next to you, I can close my eyes.
All right, next project is pressure washing the rug from our bedroom. I tried hanging it up on there and on the zip line and pressure washing it, and it worked, but it's pretty bad. Y'all know Stella's an old dog, and she's having a hard time controlling her bladder, so this is her rug of choice, unfortunately my favorite rug in the house. So I'm still gonna try and see if I can get it completely clean. I got some different cleaner, and I'm gonna give it a go again where I can really soak it in the cleaner for a while before I actually clean it. So I'm gonna spray on the cleaner, and that will sit on for probably a good hour before I come back and try to pressure wash it.
Wash me in the water, cleanse me in the mercy of your love. I need a heavenly touch, 'cause I'll be backsliding. I need a little guiding for my soul. Only heaven knows, 'cause I just need a helping hand. It's gonna help me stand. It's gonna help me stand. 'Cause I just need a helping hand. It's gonna help me stand.
All right, we're gonna clear off the front porch, take all the furniture, everything down. I'm gonna give it a light pressure wash, not trying to like peel all this off or anything. I'm just gonna give it a light pressure wash of the handles in here so that I can repaint the white spindles. See how it's broken there? And then we got the stuff to repaint this deck. Like we said, we really want this entrance to be ta-da and look real nice. So we got the door painted. I'm gonna stain, probably just use like some Danish oil or whatever just to freshen the wood up here. Change out this rug. Gotta put the door thing back on, and yeah, gotta spruce it up, hang some ferns.
Peace, be still, my darling. All is well, my darling. Your anxious heart may as well be stone. Oh, it weighs you down deeper than you know. Yeah, it weighs you down deeper than you know.
Be still, my darling. All is well, my darling. Your anxious heart may as well be stone. Oh, it weighs you down deeper than you know. Yeah, it weighs you down deeper than you know. Oh, darling, don't be scared of time changing us both. Death will leave our bodies, but it'll never touch my soul. If you are afraid, the heavens don't let go. 'Cause darling,
Next up, I'm gonna get that sander. I'm gonna sand the rails, the handrails and everything so that I can do the white paint. As you can see, it's kind of chipping in some places. So I'm gonna sand all that and get ready to paint the handrails.
we'll stay as we grow.
First layer of paint, I think maybe the only layer I'm going to do is on, and that is where I'm going to stop tonight. I'm going to do the bottom part tomorrow because it's already 6 something and I got to eat dinner. This is where I'm going to hit pause tonight. We'll come back and do that tomorrow. It's the next day, outdoor projects continuing. I did decide that I am going to paint this deck surface. After I pressure washed it, it just doesn't look as good as it could look. I have the products. It won't take me long. It's not a huge area. I think it'll take me just a couple hours. So I am going to go ahead and paint this deck. I did the handrails and all of that last night, and then I'll start to put some things back, but I do still have to go to the store to get the stuff I need to like actually stage this porch. It looks like it's not supposed to rain today. It's a little bit gray right now, so I'm hoping that the clouds dissipate, and then we'll see what else we can get done. So here's the finished product of the outside of my office and the path. Then over here we got this whole bed cleaned out. You can see my elephant ears are already starting to grow that we planted right there. So we got a few little plants in here, and we did soil on this side and just rock on this side over here. Need to water these, but I hung my planters here. This guy already needs desperately to have some water. And in here I just need to add the cushions back. As you can see, my attempt at getting all the bird seed out did not work in the cracks. So now the birds and squirrels are coming in here and picking it up out of the cracks, which is why it looks like it's back all over the floor again, even though it's clean in here. So I'm going to get the shop back and get it out, because there's netting underneath the cracks, like the screen underneath the cracks, so it won't fall through. So I am going to have to get a shop vac out here to get the rest of the seed up. But once that's done, then this little room will just be done. This is what we ended up doing with this bed. We ended up pulling out all of those nasty weeds and stuff that had overtaken it. We planted a few things, so hopefully all of this will grow and look really nice eventually. We got the mulch done around the trees, all the mulch done around here, and I will do like a final tour of everything for the last episode. All of that got cleaned out and mulched in that island. The trees over here got all done as well. And then the porch, the only thing I have left to do is put my rug and hang my ferns. As you can see, the deck came out really nice, redone. The front door, and just putting some of that teak wood oil stuff there. And that side for the little sitting area. And I did just do away with the rocking chairs altogether because they were kind of old and nasty. So we're good to go here. Again, this is just for staging purposes, so I'm good with this. It still looks nice and inviting and welcoming, and I'm just not going to go crazy over the top trying to decorate it. So I think it looks pretty good. And I'm really pleased with repainting the top of this because it looks really nice now, fresh and all of that, which is just how I wanted it to feel, you know? Fresh and welcoming. All right, guys, that is it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed seeing the outdoor projects. I'm not gonna lie, I am tired. I'm very, very tired. We have been working on our indoor projects. That video is not done yet because we're still doing the indoor projects. But as soon as we are done with those, then the next video to come, like I said, will be the indoor projects and then final staging and all of that kind of stuff. So be sure to subscribe if you've not already so you don't miss any of the future videos in the series. And then of course, at some point we will hopefully find and purchase the mini farm, and then that will be a whole new thing as we get that all set up and renovated, maybe, or not renovated, stuff built. Who knows what we're gonna have to do. It'll all depend on what property we end up on. So if you guys like to see the behind the scenes of the house hunting and all of that, that's over on our vlog channel. So we've done 2 house hunting trips, and yeah, that's all over on the vlog channel. So that's it for today's video. I hope that y'all enjoyed, and I will see you guys again very soon. Bye.